Listen, his words are so powerful that what Jesus says matters. The question we have to ask ourselves, what did God say? Or if you will, what is he saying? Because if he said something or he's saying something, that's all that matters. It's not about what your mind says. It's not about what you're feeling on the inside. That's why the mind has to be renewed daily, because the mind tells you that it's not going to work out, but the word of God tells me that God is going to fix it. He's going to put things into perspective. He's going to work it out for my good, because he's God and he can. When your heart condemns you, Bible says God is greater than your heart. What is it that little mind is telling you? You're going to die untimely death. I know God sent me here to pull somebody out of their grave mindset, to tell you that your sickness is not unto death, but you're going to live. Your sickness is not unto death, but you're going to live. It's for my name to be glorified. Those who don't know their God, they're scared, they're afraid. But when you know your God, he gives you a bonus. For God has not given you a spirit of fear. I bind every devils that wants to intimidate you. I take charge over every spirit of fear.